In this module, we're going to talk in a little bit more detail about what trends are and how you can use them. We're going to talk about some keys to success in trading trends, issues with trading trends. We're going to look at a few different types, introduce you to those concepts. We're going to talk about fractal and counter trends as well and how you can use those. And then we're going to teach you how to identify some trends. And just like we did for the support and resistance, we're going to have you walk away from this course with a couple basic strategies on trading with a trend. So let's get started. All right, guys, I'm going to give you the very important keys to success with trading trends. It's 3 simple steps. 1, determine where a trend begins. 2, plan your trade and enter your position. 3, close your position at your target price. If only it was that easy, right? And it is not that easy. Trends are actually very, very difficult to utilize because you need to have a trend in place. The key to really using a trend successfully is being able to recognize a trend while it develops and before it terminates. So you need to be able to recognize a trend before everyone else recognizes a trend. And you can do that through experience and through education. So let's continue with this.